Hi everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you guys, like I said before, are all staying safe and healthy and all the above. I know you guys are all probably stranded in the house like myself and tonight. So while we've been stranded in this house, I've been trying to find activities for him to do, things to keep him occupied. I mean, I normally stay in the house, so this is the normal routine. I try to keep him not watching TV too much because, I mean, although it's learning things that he is watching on the TV, I know that it's not good for him to be always glued to the TV. So I try to find hands-on activities for him to do and just learning things around the house while he's growing. And as you guys can see, today we're going to be making a Jello Dig. Pretty much all of Sanaya's favorite toys. I was gonna say it's all of his favorite toys included in this, but majority of his toys. He has a lot of toys, so this is the majority of his toys that I'm putting inside of the Jello Dig. This bin that I got was from the dollar store. It was actually in another DIY video that I did, like a sensory bin that I did before. But after we clean the toys and put them back in here, we're just gonna pour the Jello on top. And you guys should turn the post notifications on because yeah, I'm just gonna be posting. Before I said weekly, but now it's just like, girl, I don't know, I'm just be posting. And I know it'll be weekly still, but it's like I don't want you to miss a video, so why not turn the post notifications on so you don't miss a video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and want to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have a growing family and we want to keep it growing, keep positive vibes going, and these DIYs coming. So if you guys love the content, then go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I just like seeing Sanaa react to new things, so I can't wait to see him react to the Jello and just see how he plays with it. Hopefully it's something that'll keep him occupied because that is one of the main reasons why we are doing this, just keep him occupied and for learning. I hope you guys are excited to do it at home after watching this video, and let's get to it. So these are the two Jellos that we have, strawberry and berry blue. Hopefully the toys will show through these colors because that is dire to this project, of course. Although this bowl is pretty much full of toys, I'm pretty sure every time he digs in, he'll be able to reach for a toy and actually grab one. But if you were to use like a big baking tray or something different, you'd want to use Jello, of course, that the child could see through to be able to grab the toys. So today we're going to try with the red Jello because I feel like this will be more prevalent. Well, you'll be able to see it better over the blue, hopefully. Well, then again, I don't know. They both have strong dyes. We're gonna see. But I already washed the toys because since this is Jello and it is edible, Sanaa may eat it. He eats everything. He puts everything in his mouth. So I just wanted to make sure that the toys are clean before we did start with this project. So now that the toys are all clean and we have the toys inside of our bin, we're gonna go ahead and start making our Jello. If you buy the box, then of course, like if you actually do this project, then of course this will be accessible to you as well, the actual instructions. But I'm just showing it on this video to show you how quick and easy it is. This project shouldn't take much, it shouldn't take that long to achieve. The first step is to add 3/4 tablespoons of hot water and 1 cup of cold water. After we have our cold water in there, we're gonna go ahead and add our Jello solution, gelatin, whatever you want to call it, and mix until you start to see some kind of thickening. Now what we're gonna try to do our best, we're gonna try our hardest to lay all the toys in here flat. I might have to let this stick up. Some things may still be sticking up out. And just pour all of your liquid gelatin all over the toys. At this point, I realized that I didn't have enough gelatin solution to exactly fill the toys or cover the toys. I'm sorry. So
I would suggest buying 2 boxes of the same color for one project. And I know I showed the blue box in the beginning as well as the red box, but I didn't want to mix them because then that make a dark solution, and yeah, I just didn't feel like doing that. So yeah, I would suggest getting 2 of the same colors, 2 boxes of the same colors. This is where it is to it. Yeah, so now that we have this all in the bowl with the toys, the box says to refrigerate for 30 to 90 minutes because I did the speedy method. So we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for 30 to 90 minutes and we'll be back. This is how it came out. And I love that I did this project. And I loved it so much. I would mostly say he enjoyed playing with the Jello, to be honest. It's funny because before I put the Jello inside, he kept trying to reach for the toy so much, but now that he actually sees the Jello, he was like not really even paying attention to the toys as much as he was the Jello. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing this project again. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this video and doing this for Sinai. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and stay safe. Bye.